So I was in the backyard just cutting the branches, and look what I found. It's so cool. I love Mother Nature. Here we go. Look at those babies. Can you guys see the beehive over there? It's so beautiful. But not for me. I'm scared of them, really. If they flew, I'd be running. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. And now let's go over and see what else I found. I found another cool little insect. Let me see if I can find him. Where did he go? He was here. He's black. He's a little interesting one. He looks like a black leaf. He is gone. I missed him.